Before you start running ads on TikTok Shop or doing any of that, wasting money, you're wasting tons of money. You're wasting so much money, you don't even know what you're doing. I hope you're not drop shipping. This is not for drop shippers at all. This is not for these weirdos trying to do just for normal D2C brands who understand what it takes to actually facilitate and create foundations for building a brand, meaning creators, your ads, your PPC, all of that. This is for you to kind of keep you away from all the mistakes of running ads on TikTok and help you understand what it looks like for the back end email flows, what that really means. And oftentimes a lot of you guys miss out on this stuff. I want to make sure that if you're, a Shopify brand or if you're just a regular D2C brand, you just get this stuff. And I hope, and this is very common sense stuff too. So TikTok Shop, this is how you do it. Ads, this is just plain common sense stuff. Enjoy. That being said, there's two different strategies that I often see. The one that gets more people sales faster, and the one that doesn't get people sales, and that's that like one order per week type of creative. And that usually is for not testing enough of angles within a shorter timeline. And so my little tip for that is try new angles every single week, use hooks, including problem and solution, inspire a click, not just a complete watch. So being conscious of what your demographic and how long a video is going to be, and then target your demographic in your call outs and your headlines. And in the corner here, I have a little map of, A to Z from organic to email marketing, this full flow on how to optimize your content for your brand. And that can be found by subscribing to our website. That being said, on one hand here, we have your typical creative where somebody has one angle and they're testing that same angle. And then your success path where it's the same product, but they're testing various types of content, various types of angles, and that's where you see the most success. That being said, at the very end of all of this, when you've collected your data, you want to make sure that your email marketing has bundles, giveaways, and events. And what you're really doing is your email allows you to generate more LTV, builds reputation, keeps you relevant, find your true audience. So the people who are really enjoying your product, your true culture, your true tribe is living on your email list. And it adds MRR through subscription. So a lot of brands have the ability to add to their AOV, to a bunch of things with their email marketing, which is also a benefit of having a multi-channel approach as opposed to a single channel approach where, for example, Amazon would be that case.